In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your American Express gift card on Shein. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your American Express gift card is as simple as using any other credit or debit card that you might already have. When you are given an American Express gift card, for most of them, you won't have to go through a certain activation process. It is going to be enabled by default, and the only thing that you have to do now is use the card wherever credit or debit cards are accepted. I would highly recommend that you confirm by yourself on whether or not you need to activate the gift card by calling the number on the back of the card or visiting the website that you can also find on the back. But like I said, for the most part, you won't have to activate the card to begin with. So once you reach Shein either through the website or the mobile app, all that you have to do now is browse through the items and reach checkout to use your American Express gift card. So you can select any item. As long as you have enough balance on your card, you will be able to use it during checkout. So make sure that you go ahead, select the items according to the price, choose the size, and then add to your card. You can add as many items as you wish. The only requirement is that you have enough balance on the card when you proceed to checkout. So double check the price, and if needed, you can also call the number on the back of the card or visit the website to check your current balance. Once you have everything ready to go on checkout, you will be able to include your shipping address, see the order details, and under the payment method, you are going to have credit or debit card. And as you can see, one of the icons is going to be this little American Express flag. All that you have to do now is place your order, and once you are asked for the details about the card, you include them here. So you will have to include the card number, expiration date, and security code. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you can use your American Express gift card just like you would use any other credit or debit card, which means that you can also swipe your card physically at any stores if you wish. But for Shein, you will have to include the details digitally. Once you place your order, you will be able to manage it on your account page, and it is always going to be available for you to see. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the American Express gift card on Shein. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.